this session we are going to discuss Armstrong number using C++ logic code. So before that we should know what is Armstrong number. So Armstrong number So Armstrong number is sum of digits, cubes of individual digits is equals to same number. Then that number is called Armstrong number. So take one example number, that is n is equals to 153. Here individual digits are 1, 5, 3. So now take cubes, calculate the cubes of individual digits, that is 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. 1 cube value is 1, 5 cube value is 125 and 3 cube value is 27. So total 153. So now sum of cubes of individual digits is equals to n. So then that 153 is Armstrong number. Below 1000 there are number of Armstrong numbers are there. 1 is the Armstrong number, 153 is the Armstrong number, 370 is the Armstrong number. Next 371 is also Armstrong number. So now I am going to write the logic for Armstrong number.
ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కావాలి అంటే మా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి లైక్, షేర్, కామెంట్ చేయండి.
So now include directive now class Armstrong Now I am going to declare variables here. Take a number for n as a private integer n. So next public I am going to declare a function to enter n value, that is function is enter. So now cout enter n value, enter n. So next one cin n. So next one show function, void show function. Next, so here we get the individual digits number. First of all we get the 3 from 153. To get the individual number we have to apply the mod operator. It gives remainder value. When we apply the mod operator, that is n calculate mod with 10, then we will get the 3 value, that is n modulus 10. So then we get the remainder value is r. So that's why we declare one more variable here, r. So next modulo operator. Next, to find out the cube value of that digits, whatever we get the r value here, so that value is also stored in C, that is why r into r. Then cube of this digit, that is r value, is stored or assigned into C. So that is why we declare one more variable here, C. Next we calculate the sum value of cubes of digits. So that is why we need here one more variable, sum. So sum is equals to sum plus C. So that is value. Then we get that is number is 15 only, no need to get 3. So that is why just we apply the division operator, n divides 10, then we get the value is 15 when we division with 10, like 153, so 10 15s 153. So here we apply the division operator, then we get 15 value as n. So n is equals to division operator. So then n value is 15. So this is the first digits calculation of cube of first digit. So now apply the same for 15, again n value. So then we will get r value as 5 and cube of 5 stored in c, so that c value. So here I am applying while loop. So I will tell you later why I am applying while loop here, because n greater than 0. So here we are changing n value every time. So finally we get the n value is 0. So that's why here we apply, that is if sum is equals to n, then C out number is Armstrong. So here we changing the n value, finally we get the n value is 0. So that is why that n value is assigned to some other variable. So that is m is equals to n here. So we declare here m also. So then we check that some value with m value. So because sum assigned to initially 0, then start the loop just like this. So r is equals to n modulus 10. Then finally else C out not Armstrong. And finally close here. So this is the logic in C++ to find the given number is Armstrong or not.
ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కావాలి అంటే మా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి లైక్ షేర్ కామెంట్ చేయండి.
Now we are going to write main function. Void main. Our class name is Armstrong. G is an object for Armstrong class. I call the methods enter method and show method, then logic is perform. So G dot enter, then G dot show method get ch function, then finally close. So here I am using while loop because this logic block of logic statements repeating number of times till condition is false, because finally n value we get 0 greater than 0, condition is false, then control out of from the loop, then it checks sum is equals to here, sum is equals to m, because I am using here m variable because initially n value is 153, but finally we are changing the n value till n is equals to 0, but n value is 153. That's why I am assigning this n value to the m. So that's why finally we check the sum value, what we will get final value of sum, that is compared with m. It is same as sum of digits of previous program. Just you compare these two programs and then you will get easily that logic of Armstrong number. Before 1000, 5 Armstrong numbers are there, that is 1, 153, 370, 371 and 407. These 5 are the below 1000 Armstrong numbers. Thank you.